Alright, today I'm unboxing something every rider needs. Let's check out the Weize YTX14-BS ATV motorcycle battery. First impression, sturdy packaging, feels secure in my hands. Let's open it up and see what's inside the box. Here's the battery. Wow, compact and solid build. You can tell right away this is high-quality stuff. Look at those lead-plated silver terminals. Superior conductivity. No loose parts, no leaks, everything looks perfectly sealed. This is a sealed AGM battery. Maintenance-free, ready to install. No need to mess with acid or extra charging. Let's check the specs. 5.91 by 3.43 by 5.71 inches. It's got 200 cold cranking amps, reliable for cold starts. 14 amp hours capacity. Plenty of juice for your ride. Charge current is 1.3A, so it's easy on your charger. Case material is ABS, tough, durable, and heat resistant. It's UL, CE, and ISO 9001 certified. Safety first. Terminals are clearly marked. Left positive, right negative. Let's talk compatibility. This fits Honda, Suzuki, Kawasaki, Yamaha. Also works for scooters, snowmobiles, ATVs, and jet skis. If you ride Aprilia, BMW, Triumph, you're covered too. Fits a ton of engine sizes. Check the description for details. Now let's actually install it in my ATV. Slides right in. Dimensions match perfectly with my old battery. Terminals line up, positive and negative exactly where I need. No spills, no mess. AGM tech keeps everything sealed tight. Let's fire it up. Listen to that instant, strong start, no hesitation, even after sitting overnight in the cold. I love that it's completely maintenance-free. No checking water levels. The vibration resistance is real. No issues on rough trails. It's also resistant to shocks, chemicals, and heat. Perfect for demanding riders who don't want battery drama. If you're a power sports enthusiast, this is a game changer. The premium AGM design means longer life and reliability. No more worrying about battery leaks or corrosion. It comes fully charged, just drop it in and go ride. Honestly, installation took me under 5 minutes. If you're upgrading, check your old battery size and terminals. As long as those match, this will fit perfectly. Weize recommends replacing batteries every 2 years. Smart advice. I'd say this is an ideal replacement for any power sport vehicle. If you want reliable starts and zero maintenance, grab this. Check the link below and upgrade your ride today.